message to the world is that be true to who you are. Don't be true to who you are. Don't try to be what everybody else wants you to be. If you be you, then you have no problems in life. Yes, you're gonna have some up and downs with people, but as long as you stay true to yourself, I feel that you will do great, and you'll be fine. It doesn't matter about what you wear. It doesn't matter if you got Jordans or G-Shocks or anything, Beats, anything you have. It matters about who you want to be and who you are, you know, good or bad. Just be true to yourself. Don't try to be what everybody else wants you to be. That's how I feel. That's the message to everybody else into the society, and to the young adults, teenagers like myself. You know, we have to learn sometimes that if we don't even listen to our parents, sometimes we just gotta learn it on our own. We have to grow from our mistakes.